Hi everyone, it's me, Lindsay, again with EquipMeOT, here today to talk about a product called the Able Tray. Now this is a product that's made by Stander. It's a really excellent choice if you're having issues getting up and down from a low chair or sofa. So it's got a handle as well as this nifty tray that swivels in and out of position. So it kind of solves multiple problems for folks if they're having trouble getting in and out of a chair or sofa, or they need help with having things positioned easily in front of them, say for eating their meals or for doing their various activities from a seated position comfortably. So this product is very sturdy. It's relatively affordable at around $150. I'll have links down below where you can find this product. It's a really nice unit as far as assembly is concerned. It only takes three pretty simple steps to put it all together, and the installation process is also very simple. I'll be going over all of that in this video, so go ahead and stick around if you want to see how that is all taken care of. So my favorite features of this are that it's going to accommodate up to 250 pounds of force on the handle, which is sufficient for most people to assist them to come to a standing position. So it's going to really improve your independence and safety with that transfer. This is a great product if you're a caregiver for somebody who maybe struggles to get up and down from seats, to give them greater independence and to give you peace of mind that they're not going to struggle or perhaps even fall when completing that transfer. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to make sure we can assemble this product, so I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. Okay, so now let's get to assembling this. It will come in 3 parts in its box, just like this, with a couple of extra things, including 2 different Allen wrenches and then an additional screw. And this set screw will hold it into its final position. So basically, all you're going to need to do is find the foot portion, which will have this arm that pivots up and into position. This is the very first step, so we're going to pivot this arm up like this, and then locate that set screw I was talking about. That's going to go into the end. There's kind of a big hole opening at the end of this right here. And you're just going to slide that set screw into place. Then you're going to find the larger Allen wrench, and you're going to turn this until it is tightly in position. It's very important to start with this because this will hold the whole thing up once you put the tabletop in place. So simply hand tighten this in. Easy. Like that. Okay. Now, we'll set this back on the ground. The next step is to locate the handle. So the handle looks like this, and you'll want to find this portion of it. It's the portion that the tabletop is going to go into. That portion is going to go this direction, so towards the feet, okay? And you're going to set this into this hole, compress these little sets, and then apply the neck. So this little neck will then slide down in, holding the whole thing into position like that. We'll go about adjusting the height on this later in the video when we install it into position on your sofa or chair. Next thing you're going to do is locate the table. There's a little hook here. The hook is going to go in here, and then there's 2 little notches cut out, and then there's 2 little screws. The notches are going to go around the heads of each screw. So you're simply going to lift it into position, and you're going to set it into place, just like that. Now you're going to locate the smaller of the 2 Allen wrenches, and you're going to tighten each screw down into its position to tighten it into place. So I'm not going to tighten these all the way down for the sake of time, but simply turning them all the way in so that they place some pressure onto the side of this. You're then going to take this center screw, the one that sticks out a little bit farther, that actually adjusts the level of the table. So if the table, when you apply it, is sitting kind of awkwardly or it's not level, you're going to turn this, and then you'll see the tabletop will adjust. So if you can see my tabletop, it's a little hard to see because it's a very subtle movement, but I'll show you. You're just going to do that, and then the height and level of the table will adjust, okay? So there's that. So these 2 screws should be screwed all the way into place. I didn't do that for time's sake, but now it's pretty much all assembled. From here, we will go about installing the table on the couch. So now that we're fully assembled, we're ready to go ahead and install. The installation process is fairly simple, but there's a few things I want to go over to make sure you do it so you don't have to try extra hard. So the first things first, you want to set it next to the chair or couch or wherever you're going to be installing it to assess how far apart the legs are. Every chair and sofa is a little bit different. So what you'll do is you'll set it down next to the legs so that you can eyeball the width between the 2. Now you're going to adjust using this small pin on the side here, which simply you place your hands on it, squeeze, and then adjust it until you reach the width of the feet for the sofa or chair that you're going to be installing with. So now I have that width set. The next step will be to simply have a second person available, somebody who has a good strong back, to help lift the side of the sofa or chair up high enough to slide the entire piece underneath. Now, a little caveat to that, you want to make sure that the feet go all the way underneath. So you're actually going to be attempting to set the feet of the chair or sofa onto these outer pads, as long as you don't have something with an assembly on it, like a lift chair, that wouldn't allow that. Then you're going to set it on these inner pads. So most chairs and sofas, you want to set it on the farthest out position. That's going to give you the greatest stability. So we're going to go ahead and install that by lifting up the sides and sliding it into position, setting the entire couch onto the actual legs of this, and that will allow it to be held into position very, very securely by the weight of the couch, and then additionally the weight of the person sitting on top of the couch when it's in use. So now that it's positioned underneath the sofa legs or chair legs in whatever situation you might be installing in, the only other thing that you'll need to adjust at this point is the height of the handle. So there's an additional little push button on the side here, and I'm going to lower it just one click because you have to take into consideration the height of this table arm here. So I'm going to drop it down one click to get it a little bit lower, a little bit more comfortable from my grasp. Now this has about 250 pounds of force allowance once it is installed on the handle, and about 30 pounds of weight capacity on the table itself. As you can see, the table swivels really nicely. It swivels kind of in all angles, so I can have it with it positioned like this. I can turn it to have it more like this if I need the tray closer to me. It's really nice to use it in either position depending on what you're using it for. And then when it's not being used, it can be swiveled out of the way, and the handle is right here for your easy access. So there you have it. The Able Tray, a really awesome product to help with the problem of getting up and down from these low sofas or couches, in addition to giving you a nice tabletop to use for whatever you need it for. So a great product. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, consider giving me a thumbs up. And as always, if you need more information on how to stay safe and independent in your home and community, consider subscribing to EquipMeOT. Thank you.